Well, I think what makes ProMed different to me is really the culture.
It is at its heart a small family-owned company, even as we grow.
It's very family-oriented, and everybody here has such a great relationship with each other.
To have that atmosphere that you don't see at a larger company is something that really makes it feel like a different place.
Because of the value that's instilled in the employees and the importance of their job that's communicated to them, they take a lot of pride in what they do because they understand the impact and the importance of what it is that they do.
I've worked at several places, but we've developed a very integrated culture here, a place where people love working. We are making products for the medical industry that help people's lives, so we try to instill that in our folks.
Every team member, from production operators up to the president and CEO, are passionate about what we make, and we're passionate about each other. So management and leaders really truly care about everyone down to the floor. Everybody cares about each other. I mean, it wouldn't be uncommon to walk through the office area or even the production floor and you hear people asking each other about their families.
Everybody's here for the cause, everybody's a single team, and I really enjoy that.
Our company believes in our product and believes in the customer service that we provide to our customers.
Being in a smaller organization affords the ability to make a true impact on the business. I'm not pigeonholed to just this is what you do, but if I have ideas that a different group can do or a system that I want to put in place, I have the ability to do that.
ProMed has been a part of my life for 14 years, and a lot of the employees that are here at ProMed Molded Products have been a part of my life for a long period of time. With more than, I think it's more than 75% of the employees here at ProMed have been here for more than 5 years. I think it's about 50% of those have been here for longer than 10 years. I've spent a long period of time with the folks here at ProMed who have supported me when I was injured, thrown me baby showers when I was pregnant and had my children. So they've definitely treated me like family when I needed them most, and in turn, I think we all do that for each other.